Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my party spaghetti recipe. This is one in a million. Try this recipe and you'll come back to thank me later. Looking so beautiful, lovely, sweet, yummy, delicious. So I know you will love this. So feel free to watch this video to the end. If you're new to my channel, thanks for coming. To my old subscribers, I love you so much. Thanks for tuning back today. Don't forget to like my video. If you're new, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and family. Let's get right into the video. Ingredients for this recipe: number one, you need your egg. This is my chicken stock. This is tomato paste, yes, prepared fresh tomato paste prepared by myself. This is tatashi paste, that's a red bell pepper prepared by myself. So I'll be showing you the video one day. So carrot, onion, red bell pepper, and spaghetti, 3 packs. So first thing to do is to boil your water, add in salt and vegetable oil. I just added my salt and vegetable oil. You can see the oil settled at the top of the water. Immediately the water start boiling, please start adding in your spaghetti. Cut the way you want. If you don't want to cut it, you can leave it that way. It's still okay. Okay, for the eggs, no quantity, so you have choose how many pieces you want. You can choose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can even choose 1, or you can even exclude the eggs, no problem. So add all your spaghetti and you allow to boil till it is done. Make sure it's already done before you sieve out the water. Make sure it's already done before you sieve out the water. Keep adding water till you're sure your spaghetti is ready to be served before you sieve out the water and you set aside. Right now my spaghetti is ready and I'm sieving it out. In another neat pot that is very big, add in your vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, and you add in your tomato paste. This is fresh tomato paste I'm using. You can feel free to use tin tomato if you want. This is my tatashi I'm adding right now. That's red bell pepper. Stir and allow. I'm adding the second one. It's still the tatashi. That's the red bell pepper I'm adding. You need to allow it to fry for a while. Yes, very, very important. Make sure you allow it to fry for a while. Like I said before, feel free to use your thin tomato if you wish. Stir very well. This is paprika you can add. Next thing to add after your paprika, go ahead and add your seasoning cubes. Yes, some people call tatashi paprika. Yes, some people call it paprika. Yes, that's fresh paprika is what I added before. I'm calling it red bell pepper, but I think the main name is tatashi paprika. So add your eggs depending on how many you choose to use. I'm adding my meat stock, very important. Inside this mixed stock, I have my ginger, I have my garlic, a lot of things are there. So if you don't have yours, please make sure you blend your ginger and garlic, very important. Add to this meat stock or add to this, stir very well, and you allow to cook for a while. Sprinkle salt to taste. Stir and you taste to be sure you are good to go. Sprinkle some crayfish, very important. Feel free to add more spices of your choice. The spices you use for your jollof rice, feel free to add as many as you want to. No problem, is allowed. So I'm adding in my spaghetti right now. I'm okay with the sauce. So I'm adding in my spaghetti right now. Don't forget, make sure your spaghetti is ready before you sieve, so you don't waste time after mixing. So I'll keep mixing till all the sauce combine with the spaghetti pretty well. So take your time to do this. If you have gizzard, if you have fried meat, feel free to garnish the top of the spaghetti with it. Yes, it is another beautiful thing to do. Yes, is you can add your fried meat, chop it little and you sprinkle. It's still okay. So take your time to mix this thoroughly. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I also do pastries. So feel free to subscribe to my channel if that's what you're looking for. So just click on the subscribe button to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I post new video, you will get an alert. Sprinkle your carrots, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. If you have the green one, feel free to add your onion and every stir very well, and you cover and leave for at least for the next 5 minutes on low heat. Yes, please, if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Feel free to click on the like button. Click on the like button, like my video. Wow, this is looking beautiful. You can cook this for your family, and you can also serve this in party. Like I said, this is pure party spaghetti. Yes, pure party spaghetti. So feel free to prepare for your family. If you're having big party in December, feel free to make this. Your guests will thank you so much. We appreciate it very well. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. I love you so much. This is coming from your baby girl, Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Now Progressive Recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.